Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make 3 DIY Christmas wreaths. I like such Christmas decor, it makes your home cozy. And friends, I really need your support, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And thanks to everyone who watches me. So let's start! I bought these wreaths of artificial branches of spruce. At first I want to buy just branches and weave them together, but one branch costs $4 and I needed 4 branches. And then I found such a ready-made wreath for $5. So if you find cheap branches, buy them and bind them together. I will make miniature box for gifts. I need thick paper. I stick gift paper on top. Here the dimensions: 2 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Glue it. Make a lid. So cute miniature boxes. Such boxes can be made bigger and you can put inside some gifts. Glue the fir cone. Fir cone can be gathered in the forest, but I just bought them at the DECOR store. I also bought this in the DECOR store. Cinnamon sticks, they smell so much, I like it. Do you like cinnamon? And orange. I just cut the pieces and dried them. Oh, looks so cool, I like this. And make second wreath. I cut out the form of cardboard. Take tinsel and wrap it. so soft. Glue these Christmas toys. I like the combination of white, blue and silver. Very easy and beautiful. Now let's make my favorite wreath. I left it for dessert. Specially selected candies by style. And they're my favorite candies. Love Kinder chocolate. I feel this wreath will not hang for a long time. That's all. I hope you liked my ideas. And guys, tell me what wreath you liked more. Write in the comments. And friends, see you soon. Bye!